Symptoms of a bad water pump. The coolant in your car is moved throughout the cooling system by a water pump. The coolant flows through the engine in cycles to maintain a constant temperature. After passing through the radiator, it cools down and then flows through the engine once more. Your car may experience several problems if the water pump gives out. These are a few common indications that your water pump may be faulty. Well, in this video, we'll be talking about the symptoms of a bad water pump. So let's get started. 1. Coolant leaking. Coolant leakage are among the most common warning signs that your water pump is about to give up. While there are several causes of coolant leaks, a faulty water pump is among the most common ones. A mechanic should inspect your water pump if you observe coolant leakage from your car, especially if it comes from the front or rear of the engine. 2. Engine overheating. An engine that is heated up is another common symptom of a failed water pump. The engine may overheat if the water pump is not properly circulating the coolant. It's crucial to monitor the temperature gauge on your car and look out for any warning indications of overheating because this can cause major engine damage if left unchecked. Before we continue unraveling the symptoms of a bad water pump, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Hit that subscribe button now so you won't miss any of our upcoming automotive insights and troubleshooting guides. 3. Coolant leaks into the oil. A failing water pump may be indicated if you show that the coolant level in your car is decreasing quickly, or that coolant is seeping out of it. Coolant leakage into the oil due to a failing water pump can result in engine issues. It's important that you take your car to a fix right away if you see this happening. 4. Engine noises. Engine noise is another symptom of a failed water pump. Your engine's front end may be making a weird sound, which could mean that the water pump is about to break. The most common cause of this noise is a loose or broken pulley that the water pump uses to move coolant around. It's important to have your car inspected by a mechanic as soon as possible if you hear this noise. In summary, recognizing the symptoms of a bad water pump is vital for maintaining your vehicle's engine health and preventing overheating. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with fellow car enthusiasts who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips to keep your engine running smoothly. Thanks for watching and stay cool on the road.